Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Plus500. We're going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about what Plus500 actually is, and also how much money you have to prepare if you want to work with Plus500. So, Plus500 is a global multi-asset fintech group operating proprietary technology-based trading platforms. Plus500 offers customers a range of trading products, including contracts for difference and share dealing. And in the United States, Plus500 US offers futures trading. Plus500 has a premium listing on the main market of London Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the FTSE 250 index. You can be small business, medium business, or even freelancer, and you can explore the markets with Plus500. You can trade mainly in euros or USDs, but as you can see, there's a you can go and, for example, like at eToro or any other, start trading in, for example, crypto, indices, forex, commodities, shares, options, ETFs, and also we have more instruments. And you can start trading now or try a free demo account. With the demo, you don't have to actually spend the money. That's actually nice if you're new into it and you are not really ready to lose all your money and get another mortgage to your house. You can start with a real or demo money. Other than that, I would say that it's the same as any other operation software for your, because let's face it, basically you will come here just to trade your cryptos or ETFs. You can see there's availability with bitcoins, which is kinda slowly getting it back, but still losing. And that's about it. I mean, there's a tons of softwares at the moment that can provide you the option of buying or selling, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. And Plus500, I would say, it's one of the better ones. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.